Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to separate your freeform locks. Let's get it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Troy back again with another video. And it's been a couple weeks since I posted. My power is out, so I figured why not make a video. And this is something I've been wanting to do for a minute. There's this Congo back here that I've been itching to separate. And it's funny because in my last video, I know I said that I wasn't gonna separate this one. I'm not gonna separate this one. But the more I start to separate my hair, the more I'm starting to like it. When I first started growing my hair out, I was like, I'm never gonna separate it. You know, I'm just gonna be 100% freeform. And then I realized like that's just not realistic for me. I still have some pretty thick locks. This one right here, that's a pretty big Congo. But the one in the meantime that I will be separating is this one right here. This thing right here. And it's pretty wide actually. I mean, it looks cool for sure, but it's just a little bit too wide for me. You know, I kind of want to just split it into two. So that's what we're gonna do today. This is the same method that I've used to separate my hair in the past. I really do it like once a month now. The only tools I'll be needing today are my hand mirror and this hydrating mist from Free the Roots. If you haven't checked out Free the Roots, I highly suggest you do. The shampoo has been working really well for me. But what you want to do is dampen your hair whenever you're separating it, because when you separate when it's dry, it could damage your roots. So I'm gonna dampen the lock I'm separating, and then we're gonna get to it. And honestly, you don't need that much. I've split my hair dry before. I didn't damage my roots or anything. It's just better and it's easier when it's wet or damp. That's all I'm gonna need. All right, so I was messing with it earlier, so I pretty much have a good idea of where I wanna split it. So it's like right here. As you can see, it's already kind of split a little bit. You wanna proceed with caution. So I'm just simply gonna rip it up a little bit. Not too aggressive. There's no turning back with this. There it is. We have started the process. Let's continue. I know there's some people out there cringing right now, but hey, sometimes it's just gotta be done. One thing I say is that I would never put a pair of scissors or like a knife to my head. That's not gonna happen. We're almost there. This is gonna be a quick one. My hair is really changing colors, it's crazy. As I get closer and closer to the root, I'm gonna be more careful and more cautious, because if you yank that root hair too much or too hard, it could really damage the roots. This is low-key an arm workout too. And that's crazy. It just automatically fell. I figured that would happen too. What do you guys think? I think they look pretty dope. You know, when I first started separating, I was super nervous. The first time I actually did separate my hair, there was a couple sections where I thought that I did it too much. I was just freaking out. I was like, no, there's no turning back. After like a month, the ones that I was worried about congoed back up together, and then I just kept it moving. If you do over separate, don't panic. You know, there's always a chance that they'll combine together again. But just be very careful when you're separating, because you could go too far and you're gonna be sick. Before I was like worried about if I separate, I'm not a true freeformer. No, I don't really care. Dude, this looks dope as f. Every time I have a successful separation in my hair, I'm just happy for the rest of the day. Basically, it's like a new hairstyle every time you do it. I'll be feeling myself, man, I can't lie. And thank you to everybody who sent me a suggestion for reggae artists. Yo, y'all put me on to so much music. Chronix is probably the artist I saw the most in all the suggestions. If you guys have ever separated your hair, go ahead and drop a comment and give some advice to anybody who's looking to separate their hair. I've only done it a few times, so I'm no expert. This is really turning into an update video. These joints in the back right here, they're really maturing. It's crazy. So I'd say these are my 3 most mature locks. I hope you got some value from this video. I hope if you've never separated your hair before, you now have some insight on what to look forward to, how to go about it. You can use just your hands and some water and you're good to go. One of the reasons I haven't been posting as much on YouTube is because I've been on TikTok heavy lately. So go ahead and follow me on there. I've gotten like 8,000 followers in a week, so that's kind of crazy. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.